is less than O, correct? I mean 0, and Q is more than 0, which means P must be negative, no? P must be negative. What about Q? Positive. So let's assume. What do you want to assume for the P? -1. Assume the Q also 1. Let's plug in the first one. Is it true? Plug in here. 2 into minus P, I'll get -2 lesser than 2. True or false? True. Okay. What about this one? P square, that is -1, less than Q square, which means 1. True or false? False. False, no, because both are equal. Look at here, P plus Q, which means -1 plus 1. How much you'll get here? 0. True or false? True. This is only, we must try at least one more time. Tell me other number we can assume it, Manasvi. Your choice now. P can say -2. P must be negative, no? -2. And Q, you can take other number 3. Correct? So let's plug in. Once again, plug in here. Don't plug in the second one. Second got already eliminated. First and the last you plug in. 2 into P, -4. Correct? 2 into Q, 6. Always right. Right? Look at the last one. P -2 plus 3. How much you'll get? 1. Is it true or false? False. Correct. So this is also gone. What is my answer then? Only A. So Manasvi, did you try only with the one option, right? One assumption. You must try at least 2, 3 assumptions.